this is the instructions for week 3 for differential equations class. So for this week, we have exam number 1, and under learning resources, I have posted the practice exam for the first test. And so practice exam can be accessed here. So I advise you guys to go through and try these problems on your own before you guys watch these solutions video. So 2 solutions videos have been created and uploaded right underneath the exam or practice exam. Alright, so for this week's assignments, for your attendance, you have to post your answers to this prompt on our discussion board. So the first question is, what is the highest or last math course you have completed? This could be either in college or high school, although for this class I doubt anyone would be coming out of high school. And second question is, how many hours did you spend on homework 2? And please post this by this Sunday, 11:59 p.m. And our exam 1 is posted, so please read the instructions carefully. This exam is open book, which means that you are allowed to use any of the materials posted on our Blackboard. And this is strictly to the Blackboard materials only. You can also watch these videos on our Blackboard. And this exam must be taken completely alone. So showing it or talking about it with anyone else is forbidden. And you may not consult any external resources. So external resources includes internet searches, Googling any of these questions, you posting these questions, trying to looking for answers online. Those are strictly prohibited, so please don't do that. And spend no more than 70 minutes on this test, and you have to write the statement, I have read and understood the rules of this exam on top of your test with your sign. Okay, and good luck, and please reach out with any questions.